Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, light purple color, grey color, dark green color, dark blue color, light pink color, black color, orange color, dark pink color, light orange color, light green color. This is purple color. Let's draw the shape. Rectangle. Trapezoid. Circle. Rhombus. Rhombus. Parallelogram. Right triangle. Light green color, rectangle. Rectangle, light green color. Brown color, trapezoid. Trapezoid, brown color. Orange color, circle. Circle. Circle, orange color. Light grey color, rhombus. Rhombus. Light grey color. Light pink color. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Pink color. Dark green color, right triangle. Right triangle. Dark green color, light green color, brown color, orange color, light grey color, pink color, dark green color. Rectangle, trapezoid, circle, rhombus, parallelogram, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.